this is Evewin Lakra wishing all the viewers of Evewin89 YouTube channel a very happy Holi 2019. Holi is also known as Festival of Colors. So celebrate the Festival of Color with happiness and eat lots and lots of good foods. We have prepared some delicious dahi vada especially for Holi at our home because we like to eat healthy food from our home only. So,
Happy Holi!
Guys, Holi is also known as Festival of Colors, Spring Festival, and especially during the Holi season, vegetables like kathal, also known as jackfruit, comes in the market, which is really tasty, and it's also known as the meat for vegetarian. It's really healthy also. Lots of fiber in kathal. So let's talk about the delicacies which people make during the Holi season. Traditionally people used to make dahi vada, and which we have prepared this year. So as you can see guys, these are the dahi vada prepared by my mom. This is the dahi and this is the vada made out of urad dal, lentils in English. Okay, and it's been deep fried with healthy oil and
Spicy masala.
And
To season it.
Some seasoning masala over here which consists of jeera as well as red chili, all powdered and mixed with some table salt, and then we're gonna add the dahi to this vada. Let me add dahi vada. I like to eat dahi vada in crispy, not in soggy state. So this is why I have not dipped and soaked the vadas in dahi. Other people also like to soak the vada in water and then they soak the vada in dahi. But I like to eat the vada in crispy state, so I always make crispy vadas and then I'll add the dahi and some seasoning with some masala, homemade masala, and then I'm gonna taste it for you all. Don't forget to add green chilies, okay? Outstanding, it's really yummy. So why don't you try it? I have a small recipe of dahi vada in my YouTube channel, so you can watch and prepare this delicious dahi vada at home and enjoy the festive season of Holi.
Happy Holi!
Once again wishing all my viewers a very happy Holi 2019, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because plenty more interesting stuff's coming really soon. This is Evewin Lakra saying peace to all and enjoy. Happy eating.
Happy Holi!
One for you and one for me.
One for you and one for me. I love it.